Hey, it's John, LBF Lil Blue Ford. So I'm here with Paul and Michaela. What are we working on here, Paul?
Do you really want me to tell you?
Yeah.
2015 Dodge Grand Caravan.
Alright.
John's gonna replace the catalytic converter.
Yeah, we're working on that. It's been a mess. Engineers could have done a better job here. If you're an automotive engineer, you need to learn some things.
We're not your friends.
Anyway, trying to get this done, fix this van up, and yeah.
And you're gonna be doing some welding.
Yeah, we got weld the heat shield brackets on the new catalytic converter there, which I just torched them off so they're cooling over there, and I'll get them tacked on here in a couple minutes. But I'll just refer to where they were on the original one. I took some pictures before I torched them off and can easily see where they were, so mark them out, get them welded on the new one, be good to go. Hold it in. Engineers do a better job.
Yeah, much better.
We need to be able to work on this stuff.
Yeah, I found that other clip up at the top.
Yeah, I see that now. Yep. Alright, so we'll get that done and yeah.
We'll be back after they cool.
Yeah. And there we are. They're both out. I'll just clean these brackets up a little bit. Clean the other brackets up a little bit, and we'll be good to start welding things back together.
Now those are the brackets for the
Well, these are the two
catalytic converter.
yeah. The bolts broke. So we'll get the new bolts in these, and I'll just tack them like they were, and
And we'll be back to good shape.
yeah. Was that light flashing?
I don't know.
I think it was.
It's jealous of the big light.
That means the battery's dying.
Those are the ones with the nuts on the back.
Well, this one has a nut on the back. This one's one of the studs that didn't break. So I'll just clean up some of this slag so I can weld these back on.
Yeah.
Where'd the other two go?
Alright.
Oh, they must be in there.
Is there a camera clip right there? Bring them here. No, yeah. Yep.
Yep.
Oh yeah, this is the one I stuck all the washers on. This is the one that wasn't broke.
Yeah. And there's one more that isn't broke.
Oh, okay. Here's this one with some flag on it too.
Yeah.
And then this one has some. I put the bolts on it.
Yeah, see, I just ground off where they were welded and popped them right up.
Camera one. What the hell?
Trying not to throw sparks from a vehicle coming down the alley. But somebody will want to know why I didn't just use the vise here.
A little simpler. Should use a vise, but
Should use a vise. Probably be easier to use a vise. Be alright. We don't always do what we're supposed to do. It's a bad habit. Right?
Yeah.
Alright. Alrighty. Now I just need to weld them back on. So that was the easy part.
Ain't that the truth?
Alright,
Back with you when you're ready
yeah.
to weld.
I was ready for that.
Now you want to explain to them what you did?
Yeah, we're replacing a couple studs here. We just ground the old studs, which were bolts out, dropped new bolts in, and gave them a little tack on each side just like they were. So that'll be good to go. And now we'll get these welded to the new catalytic converter where they need to go, because they're to hold the heat shield to keep from melting the fan. So
And we'll be back to you with that.
yeah, really.
Oh.
Where we get this? There.
Now we're lining up the tabs to weld them back on.
Yeah. This guy needs to be about that looks about right. Cool. Just remember, I'm trying to repair here as I go too. So it's not a super clean setup. Trying to repair where these were torched off, so it's not perfect, but it'll do.
You're not looking too bad though, man.
It'll work. This one's hot. This one should be very hot.
Now, was that one welded back closer to the flange, where they welded together though, or?
Yeah, let me, grab one of these guys. actually a good point. Okay. Yeah. Alignment. Yeah, about like that. There we go. Well, that's a start. Couple more to go.
That's 2, and how many more we got?
Another 4.
Another 4?
Another 4. But I know where this one goes. Well, actually, hey, we can actually just start using these for alignment now. We'll be smart about this. Yep. None of them are for hot. I know that. I won't tell you why I know that, but I know that's hot. Where's those bolts? We'll have to shorten these at some point, but that's good enough. Now with this. As long as I can get the welder in there, that'll get us where we need to be. Try this here. It's gonna be difficult. So, it's not cooperating, Paul.
Maybe a marker? hair marker in there?
There. This guy. Jeez. There. Ish.
I mean, they get the concept, so we'll come back after you get them all welded on and show you what we do after that.
Alright, here we are with Paul. So, we got the cat installed, and now we're moving on to other problems with this thing.
Next will be injector. Or a head. Not sure. But we'll get there.
Yep.
We always do.
Oh yeah, I got a compression tester at home. I could bring that up too.
Yeah.
We could check that.
I think it, like I said, it runs great, except it sounds like popcorn.
Yeah. We were hoping the cat would fix that, but not so much.
Injector, and, well, test it and then maybe an injector.
Yeah.
We'll get it on the road. I always do.
Yep.
Till next time, man.
Yep. Thanks for watching.